Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech CA125 ELISA test kit. You can see this here. It says CA125 ELISA test kit. This is a 96 well plate kit. This has to be stored in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see the reference part number CA239T. You can see the manufacturing date and also the expiry date. The lot number is also given. This is from Calbiotech Incorporation from the US. You can see the package contains like coated well plates, controls and standard set, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substrate, and refer to the enclosed certificate analysis for the full component details. Okay, we'll see that. That's how the box looks like. You can see this in the US. Here we go. Okay, got it. Okay, let me open this box for you. Wave is gel packed just for the temperature control requirement. So inside the box you can see there is one AFU brochure. You can see this here. It says Calbiotech CA125 ELISA test kit. The catalog number is CA239T. Intended use. The Calbiotech CA125 ELISA kit is intended for the quantitative determination of the Cancer Antigen CA125 concentration in human serum. Yeah, this is basically to detect the cancer antigen. You can see this is the complete details like you can see this here. Just show you around. You can see the warning, precautions, specimen collections and preparation, reagent preparation, assay procedure is given. Then you can see the calculation of results, expected values, so sensitivity analysis. You have the complete details. That's very good. So you have the complete details to conduct this test. Yes, I'll keep this here. And further, if you go inside, you can see there is some certificate of analysis. Okay. In certificate analysis, you can see the key contents. I can show you around the certificate of analysis here. Okay, in the certificate it provides a key component here. Just let me quickly go through that. It says streptococcus coated wells, and you have the standard set 1 to 6, and you have the CA125 control 1, CA125 control 2, and 125 conjugate reagent, and TMB substrate 1 bottle, and stop solution 1 bottle, and the wash concentrate 1x 1 bottle. So let me just keep this here. Fold and keep it here safely. Certificate of analysis. Yes, here you go. And then further, if you go inside, you can see there is this 96 well plate. This is how the pack looks like. You can see the pack. Okay, in this pack, you can see it says streptococcus coated wells, 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see the reference part number, lot number, and also the expiry date is given. So you have got 96 well plate in this pouch. And further we go inside, you can see the different liquids here. I'll just go one by one, the sequence. You can see this is you can see the reference part with the wash concentrate 20x, 25 ml bottle actually. Okay, put it back. Then we pull out the stop solution. Reference photo lot number is mentioned, 12 ml. Okay, I'll put this back. Then there is TMB substrate. You can see the reference spot number, lot number is mentioned, 12 ml. This is also a 12 ml bottle actually. Then you put this back. And then you got conjugate reagent. This is the bottle, the color you can see. 12 ml. I'm putting it back. Okay. Then we go. So this is can see this here. Just kind of confirmed. You can see the CA125 standard 1. So you have different standards. So standard 1 is here. This is standard 2. This is standard 2. And this is standard 3. You can see this here. Standard 3. And here it is standard 4. Okay, the blue cap one. Standard 5.5. Bring it back, standard 5. And there is a standard 6. Okay, here we go. Okay. And then there is another 2 model. Let's open this out. There is a CA125 control 1. You can see the control. Here's the control. I'm putting it back. And then you have CA125 control. Control 2 is here. Bring it back. So quickly, we've seen everything. So quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Calbiotech CA125 ELISA test kit, which is used for the cancer CA125 concentration reduction in human serum. So this 96 well plate, you can see that you get one IFU brochure and the certificate analysis, the 96 well plate, and you get the wash buffer, reagent and stop solutions and constant. And then there is a concentrate and different standards, and you get the controls, 2 controls. You have 6 standards and 2 controls. You can see this is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.